A very warm welcome to the Trading Mentor. This is the update for members and others, so enjoy. Just a quick disclaimer before we go into the markets. All the information we give is for educational purposes only. We do not offer any investment advice. We're not regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, so please do your own research, make your own decisions. A very warm welcome to the Trading Mentor. I hope you're all well this morning. It is 11:02 on the 11th of May. We're looking at oil currently. We've got our eye on this for another leg up. You can see on the left that the price and the continuation of the trend is likely to continue, but pretty much sideways at the moment. One of the things to look out for, now these are advanced charts by the way, but many of the aspects within this are available for basic charts. So the stochastic here, you can see, is oversold in an uptrend. This is what we're looking for. I would rather see it come down to this line here on the left. It doesn't mean it has to. So we are now looking for a leg up, another position to head for probably 68 is the first target, and then probably $70. Congratulations to everybody who had the trade before. This is where we entered. Whenever we get a buy, we get a signal on the chart, and then we simply enter. There's another swing low there. Did you see that? So the stochastic becomes oversold, so you're definitely buying low. And then you could have exited at the top of that range for about 230 pips. Look out for divergence as well. Negative divergence comes up as bears on the advanced charts, and so therefore that is a very good place to exit. So we are looking for another entry, but it's all very quiet at the moment. Once we get an entry, what happens is we've got a 4-hour chart on the left, 1-hour chart top right, and a 30-minute chart bottom right. For this to be a buy, it has to break this blue line, 65.67. What happens once it does that? It generates a buy signal. So we don't have a buy signal yet, so we're not going to buy. We'll wait for that. But you can have a breakout 65.73, 65.70, something like that. And of course, at that same time, what will happen is the 30-minute will break first. So we've got a few positions open, just having a look now. So let's do a quick scan and show you why we entered, which is the whole point of being here, isn't it? So we had a buy signal last week, I think. We bought it at 0.7772. It was down here somewhere. But have a look on the top left. The left chart shows a buy. Now it's oversold in an uptrend. It's not likely to continue. It's the top of the range, so it's not ideal. However, we go with it anyway. The 1-hour chart on the top right is intact. We've now moved our stop to 78, so we're locking in some profits. For another new entry, if you are looking to enter this. The 30-minute is saying sell, so we wouldn't have another entry until all prices confirm a buy. So we have that New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD, a similar pattern as the Aussie. And we tend to only go with one, but we've got two live now, but see how they go. Swiss yen. So here is the Swiss yen. We bought it at 120.18, somewhere around here, as it broke upwards, and now it's just having a rest. We've moved our stop to 120.38, so we've locked in 20 pips. So there's zero risk on this, so it doesn't matter what happens next. There may be another buying opportunity. If you notice here on the left, the stochastic becoming oversold again, maybe a continuation is possible. Euro pound, congratulations to everybody who had the profits on the euro pound. Now, for members, let me just change these charts. For members, this is using what I call the ripple effect. If you've got my book, see these moving averages. Whenever the price moves down below, in this case, below all the moving averages, then it's highly likely probably to continue. So as you see that there, we sold it about up here somewhere at 86, what did we say, 86.60, and so we closed it for a nice profit because we had two positions on it. As you can see on the left now, that was the breakout trend line there, and it moved down to the bottom of the range. So what's likely to happen when you see the price move to the bottom of the range and oversold, that's an indication the price is likely to pull back up again. Euro Aussie is a very interesting one. So here we are with the Euro Aussie. We did sell it at the bottom of the range, but that's okay. I mean, the stop is up here, 156.50. A bit higher than that. Yeah, 156.50, something like that. So quite a wide range. But remember, the wider your stop, the less chance of you having a loss. That's the way I look at it. And in addition to that, we've got another opportunity to sell, haven't we? Can you see? You can see the downtrend. There's a trend line there which is acting as a resistance, an old trend line drawn. We've got a sell on the 1 hour, which is what we wanted. That's what we sold it down there somewhere. And so we are looking to re-enter the Euro Aussie in the next day or two. Let's have a quick look at the Euro dollar. We're waiting for some information, some data to come out this afternoon. We've got the Aussie and the New Zealand, so we don't really need any more US dollar positions, but the Euro dollar. Here's the Euro dollar. As you can see, all charts are confirmed to buy. So this is highly likely probably to go up, which will help out Aussie and New Zealand positions. go over US yen as well. The barometers that we use, euro dollar, is a good indicator of where other positions are going. The other one to look out for is the US yen. So this is a barometer to say if the US yen is going up, then it's highly likely probably that all the yens will be going up. And that's called correlation. So here we can see on the left an uptrend is intact and in play, and the price is likely to come down to about 108.60 before it starts to move back up again, and so we will be looking for a buy once it breaks 109.18. Simple, really. Nothing going on here, so it's not something that we will be looking at all day long. Going through the charts only takes about 20 minutes in the morning. Most of my time is taken up looking after you guys. Which I love anyway. Okay, that's it for today's update. Hopefully you find that helpful. Just for the members, just a reminder to set up your charts. What I would do is set up 3 charts if you can, 2 at least. So you need the 4 hour and you need the 1 hour, and the 30 minute is useful as well. But you can get away with the 4 hour and 1 hour. So whenever you see this going on, put on the ribbon onto your chart. All charts will be able to do it. If you get stuck, let me know. Whenever the price moves above all the ribbon, it's a buy. In this instance, the Aussie USD. It looks like it's going to be starting to move up again as well. Well, that's it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and hopefully it's useful. Don't forget to contact me if you have any questions on Telegram, or email info@thetradingmentors.com, and I'll come back to you as soon as I can.